Hi, I'm doing a giveaway on my Paperback Crochet for Beginners book, but also I'm doing an Crochet for Beginners ebook as well that's running tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. The link is down below and you can have the ebook for free. And then I'm doing this book as a giveaway and the doily as well. Okay, so check down below for the links. Hi, I'm doing a giveaway on my Crochet for Beginners book that I wrote. And this fun, nice doily is also thrown in here. This was bought at a craft fair and I thought it'd make for a really nice giveaway. Now, to participate in this giveaway, please comment down below something crochet related, maybe something you would like to see for videos in the future. Make sure you're a subscriber. I have a Facebook group and page that I'm starting back up again. That's in my description if you'd like to join, and my Etsy store if you'd like to take a look. I'm trying to place patterns in there sometimes if the patterns are kind of complicated. This is the book that I wrote, and I have another book that's crochet hats. That's just an ebook. This comes in an ebook, but this also is in a paperback. If you win, come back in a couple weeks to see if you're the winner. I have to random comment pick the winner. And also if you do win, I can sign it for you if you'd like. So this is just crochet basics. This is the table of contents. This is just the basics of like mistakes, how to read a pattern, abbreviations page, basic stitches, a whole booklet of like basic stitches and how to work them. Like this is the crochet shell stitch, so that is actually the pattern there. And here's other patterns like the hat patterns and coasters and afghans and baby patterns and ponchos and bags and purses, and a little bit about myself. My name's Amy Lehman. I've been crocheting since 2010 when I decided to teach myself how to crochet a hat for my toddler. My kids are much older now, and I learned by watching YouTube videos. So then I taught myself through trial and error and videos. And in my spare time, I create crochet videos and crafts and crochet patterns, and I love to be creative. I live in Michigan and I'm married with 2 kids, and I love watching my daughters with their arts and crafts. I must have put it in my bio on the Amazon. If you go to Amazon, I have my books there. Also, I have my degree in Bachelor of Arts in Education, and I taught for a couple of years, and then I decided I wanted to be a stay-at-home mom, and so I do this as a part-time job. All right, so please subscribe, please comment down below, and if you'd like to be a part of my group or Facebook page, please do so. I try to update that a few times a week. Thank you everybody for watching.